They have molecular weight ranging from 18 to 800 daltons, okay, approximately. So the acidic insoluble fraction has 4 types of, okay, organic compounds. What are those? First one is protein, which is a biomacromolecule, nucleic acids like DNA and RNA, polysaccharides like starch, okay, etc. and lipids. About lipids already we have learned. These classes of compounds, okay, exception to lipids. Why? Because they have molecular weight in the range of 10,000 daltons and above, okay, hence they are biomacromolecules, okay. So chemical compounds which are found in living organisms are classified into 2 types, okay. They are, let us take a living organism like human. In human body, if you see, 70 to 90% of the water is present, okay. Our body total weight contains up to 90% of water. A remaining part, if you see protein content, how much it is there? 10 to 15. Let us take the carbohydrates. If you take the carbohydrates, these carbohydrates are 3%. Let us take the lipids. These lipids are 2%. Nucleic acids like DNA and RNA, their percentage is 5 to 7. Ions, their percentage is 1. Okay. This is the chemical composition of human body with different cellular content, biomacromolecules, etc. Apart from this, if you see, one of those which have molecular weight less than 1 dalton, okay, less than 1 dalton, and are usually referred as a microbiomolecules or simply biomolecules, while those which are found in the acid insoluble fraction are called macromolecules, okay. But who have less than 1 dalton, okay, molecular weight is less than 1000 dalton, 1000 dalton, sorry, I said 1 dalton, it is less than 1000 dalton, okay. They are usually referred as micromolecules, simply biomolecules, and who have are found in acidic insoluble fraction of macromolecules. The molecules in the insoluble fraction of lipids are polymeric substances, okay. And then why do lipids, if you carefully observe, why do lipids whose molecular weight do not exceed 800 daltons come under acidic insoluble fraction? Macromolecular fraction, lipids are indeed a small molecular weight, but here one exception is compounds and are present not only in such a range but are also arranged into structures like cell membrane and other membranes. When we grind the tissue, okay, we are disrupting the cell membrane, cell structure. Now if you take the cell membrane, okay, broken into pieces and forming vesicles which are not water soluble, therefore these membrane fragments in the form of vesicles get separated along with the acid insoluble pool, hence in the macromolecular fraction, okay. Finally, if you carefully observe, lipids are not strictly macromolecules. The acidic soluble pool represents roughly cytoplasmic composition, okay, and the macromolecules from cytoplasm and organelles become acid insoluble fraction. Together they represent the entire chemical composition of living tissues or organisms. In summary, we represent the chemical composition of living tissue from abundance point of view and arrange them class-wise. We observe that water is the most abundant chemical in living organisms. In human body up to 90%, 70 to 90%. Okay, remaining topics we will discuss in the next class. Don't forget to subscribe my video, share my videos.